welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. So in today's video I will be unboxing this May Vanity Cask box with you guys. So this month's Vanity Cask is known as the Summer Romance Edition. So this Vanity Cask box retails for rupees 999. So as you know, this Vanity Cask box comes in a packaging like this. It is reusable and this looks really stunning. It has a magnetic closure and when you open this up you get all the products. So this is the booklet which has all the information about the products, and here you can see there's two bags inside. So yeah, let's get started with this video and unbox this. So in this month Vanity Cask has introduced a new offer which is the Votre kit, this one. If you subscribe for 3 months or 6 months, then you will get this Votre kit absolutely free with 3-month and 6-month subscription box. These products are worth rupees 3020. So first let's see what we have received in the Votre kit. So the first thing I received in this Votre kit is this face serum, and this one retails for rupees 1670. So I'm going to read out the description. This aqua rich revitalizing PM serum enriched with virgin cold pressed oils, herbal blends and innovative molecules which helps to brighten the complexion and reduce fine lines. So this is a 15 ml bottle and this one costs rupees 1670. The serum has a white color and it smells really nice, so I will definitely try this out. So the next thing I received in this Votre kit is the Botanical Gel Cream with SPF 35. So I'm going to read out the description. This is a natural and highly botanical version of a classic moisture gel cream. It is an easily absorbed and nourishing treatment moisturizer with a blend of extracts like green tea, fig, strawberry and precious oils provide hydration and protection, leaving the skin feeling smooth and supple. So the price for this is 1350 for 50 grams product. So this Votre kit contains both of these products and this one retails for rupees 3020. So if you subscribe to 3-month or 6-month subscription, then you will get this both the products absolutely free with your 3-month or 6-month subscription box. Now let's see what I've received in this bag. Okay, so the first thing I received in this bag is the Votre Day Moisturizing Gel. This is for oily skin, so I'm going to read out what it says. The Day Moisturizing Gel SPF 25 has a unique blend of light gel moisturizer with SPF 25, offers the right hydration, designed to calm and hydrate. This water-based formula moisturizes without adding oil, leaving your skin perfectly hydrated, sun protected with non-greasy glow. So this is a 30-gram product and the price is not mentioned here. So if I get the price detail, I will mention it in the screen. So the next thing I received is this Sauvage Shea Butter and Kumari Body Lotion, and this is for normal to dry skin. Wow, this smells really nice, you guys. Smells really nice. So the price for this Sauvage body lotion is rupees 200. So the next product I received in this bag is the Caffeine Shower Gel. I have already used this product earlier and I absolutely love this. This is paraben free and this is 50 ml by the way. So this one retails for rupees 189 for 50 ml product and this smells really nice. Really nice. I love the aqua smell. So the next thing I received is 2 sheet masks from the brand Mon Sub. I got the Cherry Brightening Facial Mask and this is the anti-wrinkle and moisturizing facial mask. So both of them retails for rupees 250 each. And at the back they have mentioned the ingredient, the benefits and the usage with the pictures. So the last product I received in this box is this Mom's Therapy Herbal Hair Pack. So this is the hair pack and I'm going to read out the description. Mom's Therapy Hair Pack with the power of 9 herbs nourishes the hair and enhances hair growth. It is an effective remedy of common hair problems like dandruff, hair fall and premature graying. It revitalizes the hair, making it healthy and lustrous. It has ingredients like shikakai, neem, methi, amla, brahmi and lots more. and they have mentioned how you can use this product. So guys, that's it. That's about all the products I have received in this May Vanity Cask box. So I hope you guys like it, and if you want to subscribe to this Vanity Cask, I will leave the link down below in my description box, so make sure you check it out. And yes, I hope you liked today's video, and if you did, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And I will see you again on my next video. Till then, take care. Love you all. Mwah. Bye guys.